Okay, my dear students, now this is your basic proportionality theorem. Okay, in short, we call this theorem as BPT. Okay, BPT, basic proportionality theorem, is also known as Thales theorem, sometimes under the heading state and prove Thales theorem or state and prove BPT. Okay, this can be asked, so from beginning to end you have to prepare this theorem nicely. Okay, let's see and try to memorize full theorem. Okay, first of all I am writing it's a statement of the theorem. Okay, please learn by heart along with me and note down in your register. The statement of this theorem is, if a line is drawn, if a line is drawn, very easy and very simple, parallel to one side of a triangle, one side of a triangle. Okay, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides, to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, fine, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, Okay, please learn this. This is the statement of Thales theorem, you can say, or BPT theorem. Fine, let me read it again. What we are given: if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, okay, to intersect the other two sides in distinct point, then the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Okay, let's understand this. First, let's note down what we are given in the statement. Suppose we are considering triangle ABC, in which, in triangle ABC, suppose a line DE parallel to BC, line parallel to BC intersect AB at which point? Of course at D point, and AC at E point. Okay, means that we call DE parallel BC. Fine, this already we are given. In triangle ABC, in which a line DE parallel to BC intersect AB at D and AC at E point, that is DE parallel BC. Let's draw the figure related to this and what we can do in that further see. Let's see the BPT and what we have written in the statement. According to that, this ABC is a triangle. Okay, you can see DE is parallel to BC. Agree? DE is parallel to BC and they intersect AB. This is A point, B point. It intersect at D point and it intersect AC at point E. Okay, and we need to prove that is DE parallel BC. That already we have mentioned. Now what exactly we have to prove? According to the statement, we need to prove AD upon DB, which will be equal to AE upon EC. Fine, AD upon DB. AD upon DB, AE upon EC, that we need to prove. Okay. Now in construction, what we are constructing extra, you can see in the figure, join BE and CD. If we join BE and CD, we are drawing EF, which is perpendicular to AB. You can see EF. EF is perpendicular to side AB, and of course DG, which is perpendicular to AC. DG perpendicular to side AC. Okay. Now let's work out on the proof of it. Okay. We will discuss here the area of a triangle all the way. Okay. We know how to find the area of a triangle. Now we are going to apply that. So we need to write area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. Okay. So what do we have? According to this, if we work out, then 1/2 base into height, we know, right? This side for the triangle BDE, observe BDE. I'm talking about this triangle. In this triangle, 1/2 base DE and into EF. You can see, we can 1/2 cancel, EF cancel, so area is coming AD upon DE. Let's call this is result number 1. Okay, this we are able to find through the area of a triangle 1/2 base into height. Let's continue the BPT in third part. Okay, this first we have proved already. Now similarly, we are in continuation. Similarly, can I say area of triangle ADE? I am talking about triangle ADE and area of triangle BDEC. Triangle DEC. Okay, which will be equal to, as similar, 1/2 base into height. So 1/2 into AE into DG. ADE. ADE, this much of triangle. Okay, small triangle, you can see area of ADE, that is AE upon DG. DG will be perpendicular and AG will be considered as a base. Same thing for DEC. DEC, I am talking about this triangle. In this triangle also, EC into DG, base into height. Okay, if I cancel something, you can see 1/2 cancel. So what is left? AE upon EC. Let me call this is result number 2. I hope 1 and 2 is clear to you. Now what we are going to do, let's see. We know that triangle BDE and triangle DEC. See, BDE, this triangle, and DEC. DEC, I am talking about this triangle, stand on the same base. This triangle stand on a same base. What is the base? Same base BC. Same base, this is base, same base DE, and DE and between same parallel lines, and between same parallel lines. That is DE and BC. Is it okay? Now, according to this, if we work out, then can I say area of both of this triangle were coming same? area of triangle BDE, which will be equal to area of triangle DEC. This is DEC. Let me call this is result number 3. So from 1, 2 and 3, finally we come to the from 1, 2 and 3. This is our second part, okay? This we consider as second part, and this is third part. We can say that AD upon DB, which will be equal to AE upon EC. That is our required result which we have to prove. So this is proved. Fine. This is called BPT theorem. Complete here.